Hello students, welcome to my classroom. In this video, we are going to discuss another question from your performance coach book. And the question that I have chosen for this video is going to be talking about tea. So that, as you know, is one of my favorite drinks to have, the ginger tea, and I have it on my side here, which I'm having as I'm sharing the question with you. So I drew a teacup, and you can complement my drawing skills later. But for now, we are going to look at the question. So the question in red says, this is the question here. The graph shows the temperature of tea after it's served. What is the meaning of the y-intercept? So the graph is already provided to you, and they're asking you about the y-intercept. So they're pretty much just telling you to study the graph and asking you a question, not a lot of calculations going on. I also went ahead and wrote down the four choices for you. So the choices are: the graph shows number of minutes, rate at which the temperature is decreasing, temperature of tea when poured, or room temperature. So as you can see here, students, the graph is a decreasing graph. That means what is happening basically is that as you left the tea in the cup, after some time has passed, the tea is going to get colder. So the temperature is decreasing. So that is the temperature it's starting from. So basically, that could be the temperature of the tea, at that time it's poured. Let us check. Number of minutes. So the y-intercept, as you can see, the y value is temperature. So it cannot be number of minutes. Next up, rate at which the temperature is decreasing. Now, we do agree that the temperature is decreasing, but I don't think that the y-intercept is telling us the rate. Y-intercept is a point where it's crossing the y-axis. So let us get rid of that. Next, temperature of tea when it's poured. So temperature of tea when it's poured, that sounds about right to me. Let us check the next one just to make sure. Room temperature. Now, I don't think that the room temperature and the temperature of tea will be the same until you're living in Arizona. That could be possible. Just kidding. So basically, I think the choice C is the best choice for it, which says that the temperature of tea when poured is at 200 Fahrenheit and then it's decreasing. So I hope you agree with me that our correct choice is C. Pretty easy question. Just paying attention is important where you are studying your graph. Y-intercept, you really need to know what y-intercept is for questions like these, because that's the point where it's crossing the y-axis. So hopefully it made some sense to you, students. Please let me know if there are any questions about the video. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.